Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Been getting ready to go out. Anyway, this is my outfit of the day. Starting with my hair. It's called After Midnight. It's like a coily, kinky coily. I don't know if you would call this afro or not. It's this. Okay, it's a half wig. I have on this top I got from Amazon. Couldn't wait for it to get hot enough to wear. All these colors, I just love them. Let me show you my Crocs I'm going to wear with me. I'm not going to put them on now because I've been wearing them. These tie-dye, tie-dye Crocs. I blinged them out. You know, I got to have the bling. I have on some pink capris. They came from Walmart. I got them a couple years ago. Let me get my pose on. I don't know if you can see my head or not. No, I don't know. Pose. But I love this top. It's a shark bite top. I got several colors, different designs. See, it's slimming. Like it goes, kind of goes in at the waist. Give me a suggestion of a waist. And it covers up the important stuff, the gut and the butt, that I don't want to be seen. So, I like long tops, and they got to be colorful, comfortable. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. I'm trying to get used to looking in the lens. Bye.